Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COIN Coinbase. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, and certainly some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now, and from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And for those of you that have watched the past videos of mine, talked about that $320 mark as a pretty important level of support. And the price is now broken down below it. So again, according to the rule, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And basically that's what's been going on all day long. Price acted as resistance there, had a very cruel false breakout of that level. So broke up through it and then quickly went right back down below it. And then once again, it's gone right back to acting as resistance. But point here being, if there is any sort of attempted, consolidation and then curling back to the upside, it's all about that $20 level. Not necessarily can the price go up and test it, because it's done that many times, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it is going to be that true kind of question to watch. So keep an eye on the $320 mark as that initial level. And then next key overarching level of resistance is now going to be all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that level, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. But also one hurdle at a time. Don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's just first see if the price can even get back above and stay above 320. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Just a question of, okay, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was down there at $312. So watch that very closely from the support side of things. But overall, yeah, rough day today, but we'll see if the price can try to get things at least turned around a little bit, enough on Wednesday to get back above and stay above 320. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.